critical condition tonight after being hurt in a hot water heater explosion. This was the scene last night just north of Halstead in Harvey County. The woman's husband was also taken to the hospital with burns. He is in fair condition. The explosion raises awareness of a hidden danger you may not always think about in your home. Akeem Ashford looked into it for Fact Fighter 12. Akeem, what sort of things should we be looking for when it comes to our water heaters?
Well, Roger, I just want to show you a standard water heater. You know, this is in the back office of one of our rooms here. This is what you're typically going to see in your home. Experts tell me that you want to look for any kind of visible leaks that are around. They tell me that this water heater, your water heater at home, will tell you if it's working properly or not. Jay Lobel with Benjamin Franklin Plumbing installs a new water heater in this home.
It's up to us to make sure that they're operating properly, make sure that they're installed properly.
Whether you have a natural gas or propane water heater,
they're real close to the same. If they do have propane in the home instead of natural gas, propane sinks. So if there's ever a propane leak, it is going to sink to the bottom of the basement.
Don't panic. He says there are several things a homeowner can do to prevent a leak from causing an explosion.
Sump pumps, very important. This one is a pedestal style where the motor is up out of the pit. If you have propane coming into the home, this needs to be changed to a submersible pump, which is all the way down into the bottom of the pit. It's much more efficient, but it's not going to have the spark that can cause the explosion if propane is leaking.
Every water heater has a temperature and release valve. He says that should be checked and serviced if it's no longer working.
It solely is designed to protect the home and its occupants. It's designed to open up at 150 pounds of pressure or 210 degrees. It is your chief safety device for the whole water heater.
And the Plumbers says in rural communities where this explosion happened, typically those homeowners have propane tanks. Now, that has not been confirmed in this particular explosion, but that is a part of the investigation and will come out eventually.